So the S26 Ultra has been announced, which means cases. So this is going to be a sneak peek at some of the case brands that I have in ready and waiting to be reviewed. So let's check them out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So currently I have 11 brands worth of cases here at the moment for the S26 Ultra, with more on the way. So before we get stuck in, if there is anything that you want to see reviewed for the S26 Ultra, hit me up in the comments down below and let me know what you want to see if it is not on this list. As a case head, I am always keen to try out new stuff. So by all means, if there's something you're looking at and it's not here, let me know down below. So let's get started. So like I say, we have a massive amount of cases here. So we have Ringke, we have Benks, we have Pitaka, we have Mous, we have Caudabe, Ryan London, with some lovely leather. We have RokForm, we have dBrand, we have Thinborne, and Aulumu. So far, we've got a pretty good lineup. Let's get a wee quick look at them. This is just a sneak peek look at what's going to come up on the channel. This isn't going to be a full review of these cases, so stay tuned for these coming. It's just going to be a little quick sneak peek to let you see what I've got. So first up is this. This is the lineup from Ringke, and we have some real classics here. We have the Alaise, which is a kickstand case, which is very, very nice. It's a little bit rugged, but it has a nice kickstand, nice grips. Very, very nice. We have the new UX, which is a clear case, but it is also a kickstand as well. This is a new design, which I am intrigued to try out. So it's something different. We have the classic Onyx, which I really love. It's a real underrated case and always a classic. The Fusion X, another clear case, black borders, very, very nice. Nice textured bumpers. So yeah, that's definitely up there. And then this is the new Onyx A. So we've got this really nice texture of the Onyx and side grips, but we've got this kind of funky shape and it's a bit curved. It's a little bit different. So yeah, I'm really keen to check that out. That's something new. So yeah, so that is going to be the lineup from Ringke, which I'll be getting checked out. And next up, I do have the Mous case lineup. So I have the Limitless cases here in armored and leather. Always a classic, so I'm looking forward to checking these out. We have the Clarity 2.0, which is really, really nice as well, and of course the super thin armored fiber. And I'm really, really liking the feel of this case, so I'm really keen to check this one out. That might tick a lot of boxes for a lot of people. Next up then is this. This is Benks. So we have a lineup of Armor Pros and we have a lineup of Armor Airs. I'm really looking forward to checking these out because these Armor Airs are coming in some fantastic colors, especially this purple one. Like if you're picking up the purple S26 Ultra, is there going to be a better case? I mean, look at this thing. It is epic. Ultra thin Kevlar, metal camera guard. Yeah, I mean, super, super nice. Looks super premium. I love the blue as well. The blue is super, super nice. And then we've got our classics. We've got our Armor Tint. We've got our Aurora. We have our 600D armored fiber, which is really good. And then we have our Montage as well, which is a mixture of all the armored patterns. Really, really nice. I love those options. The Armor Tint is really nice too. It's like a woven, but it's just a simple color. Really, really nice. And then if that's not your bag and you need a little bit more protection, the Armor Pros will tick that box. These are full bumper cases, metal camera guards, and they will come in a plethora of colors, like the Montage, like the Armor Grid, the Aurora, and the 600D, to name a few. So yeah, some real fantastic options coming from Benks. So I'm really, really keen to see what these are going to offer. So next is this. This is the Ryan London leather case. Now this is the first leather case I've got in, but it will not be the last, so stay tuned. But this is going to be, I expect this to be super, super nice. You get all the usual refinements with this. You get that lovely microfiber lining, full bumper leather case, metal camera guard, machined metal buttons, and you get them in the classic colors. You get the black, you get the English tan, you get the dark brown. It's going to be a real nice one, so I'm really keen to check this out as soon as the S26 Ultra arrives. So if leather is your bag, yeah, stay tuned. But if you want some more armored fiber, Pitaka are also in the house. We do have our Edge cases. This is Pitaka's new naming system for their ultra thin cases. So these are called the Edge. We have our colorways here. We have our 600D. We have our Sunset, our Moonrise, and our is it Galaxy or is that Milky Way? I'm not quite sure. I remember. But these are really, really nice patterns. Really, really nice armored fiber. But these have added the 3 NFC buttons on the side, which is a new thing for these cases. So the NFC buttons came on the full bumper cases. They never came on the ultra thin. So I'm intrigued to see how well these work. So I will be testing that as soon as I get the phone in. And then if that's not your bag and you want a little bit more of a protective case, then we have the Cairn, which used to be the Ultra Guard. Yeah, I mean, Pitaka's names, they're a bit all over the place, to be honest. Yeah, this is the only colorway I have so far. This is the Sunset, and we have our machine to metal buttons, and we also have our NFC buttons, but these are also machine to metal buttons as well. So they feel pretty good, they feel pretty premium. So again, we'll be looking to check them out and see just what they're going to offer. But yeah, the quality seems to be there, so fingers crossed. And then we have the Aulumu. I think I've said that right. I was saying in another video, Aulumu. Let me know in the comments down below. How do you pronounce it? Aulumu? Don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. But we have the frosted case here, and we also have the armored case, which is super, super cool. I love the design of these cases. I love the little details and Easter eggs and things on them. I think they're super nice. So I really, really love this case. I do like this frosted case as well, so I'm intrigued to see if they've improved it over the previous version. And I'm also waiting for the rest of the lineup to arrive, so stay tuned for that coming. But there will be a complete lineup of those cases coming. So if that is your bag, they are coming. Next up then, sticking with the armored fiber, we do have the Thinborne cases. Now the Thinborne cases only used to really come in 600D, and that's really what you got. But they have stepped up their game here. We do have the classic black 600D. We have our metal camera guard here as well, and it looks pretty good, pretty minimal. I like the look of it. But we have this new navy color, which I really, really like. It's super, super nice. With that machined metal camera guard, I'm really, really digging it. And then we have this like really awesome looking red color, which is cool. So yeah, I'm happy to see this. I'm happy to see more color options for these armored cases, because color's good. We like options. So Thinborne, if you're listening, you need to make a orange one, make a purple one, make a green one. Just make them all, to be honest. Yeah. We're here for it. These have typically been really, really good ultra thin cases with great MagSafe strength. So the question is, will they still be as good? I guess we're going to find out. We have dBrand as well in the house. Now I am currently waiting for the tank. It is currently in transit, but I do have the grip. I do have the Ghost. They are here. They are ready for review. I'm keen to check out the fit, see how they feel. So yeah, really, really good. And when the tank arrives, I don't know about you guys, if you aren't familiar with the dBrand tank, I'm sure you are. If you've seen any of the videos on my channel, you'll know the dBrand tank, but the dBrand tank is awesome. It is so wacky, it's so mad, and it's kind of cool. There will be a full lineup for the dBrand cases, the grip, the Ghost, and the tank, so stay tuned. We also will be doing a screen protector video as well, and the dBrand Prism will be featured there as well. And then for rugged cases, we have the RokForm case has arrived. Again, we do have the similar thing here. We have this carbon effect pattern. We have a RokForm mechanism, great MagSafe strength, big rugged bulky case. Definitely will be checking this out. I also will be getting in the rest of the lineup as well, so stay tuned. And lastly, you know who it is. Caudabe are in the house. We have the Sheath, we have the Paragon. The rest of the colours are on their way. I do have the blue Sheath still to come. I have the other colours and the Paragon to come, and the Synthesis as well will be coming. So stay tuned. But so far, I'm liking what the Sheath is offering with this new camera layout. It still looks pretty minimal. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about it, because the Sheath on the S25 with those smoothed out camera lenses, I just think is the absolute perfection. It's just smooth on the back, and it's just grippy, a great case. Really loved it. Again, it's not Caudabe's fault, because it's the design of the phone. but yeah, I'm not mad at it. It's pretty minimal. I think it's going to look really well, so stay tuned. There we have the grey, we have the black, and then also I have the Paragon here in Midnight, so that's going to look super good too. We have that matte textured back, and look at that. I love the way these shine under the light. They're so nice. Machined metal buttons, microfiber lining on the inside, just super nice. Super nice. Like I say, the rest of the colors will be coming, the synthesis will be coming as well, screen protectors, we're going to do the works. So yeah, that's going to happen, so stay tuned. I will be doing lineup videos for all of these brands, you know, cases that have more than one case. I will do a lineup video, but do you want to see more series cases like I did for the iPhone, where I did best clear, best leather, aramid, rugged, etc. If you want to see that video, hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know, yes, do you want to see it? No, you don't. If you want to see something else, let me know in the comments down below, because this is your channel, guys. I just work here, you know yourself. And of course, if you do want to pick up any of these cases early for your S26 arriving, I will leave you links in the description down below. Affiliate links do help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. It's much appreciated. So I'm going to go and continue to prep for the arrival of the S26 Ultra. But until then, if you want to check out some more content on the channel, YouTube thinks you should watch this video right here.